gonna tell everybody what you're doing?
We overnighted 2 cookbooks here so that we can see them, have them in our hand, and chat about them. And then all of a sudden we went back, there's a little note. It says, well, the top one says be back shortly. The sign illuminating the window says open. And then there's a handwritten note that says, yeah, nah, I'm not gonna be here.
So anyway, it's like 7 o'clock at night and the door is open. So we're gonna go get them. It was fun, thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome, yeah, for sure.
So
Have a good
cool.
night.
Better.
All right, here you go. Okay, you've got it in your hands. 2, we said 2.
2. Okay, let's do this.
18-month journey.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, well that was easy. Oh!
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
The colors are so great.
You like?
I love.
Oh my gosh. Taste of the States. So awesome. Look at the back.
Turn it around. Okay, open it up.
Okay. Ooh, I like how creamy that turned. Look at that. Gotta have the rig. Oh, there's a Library of Congress number here. We're in the Library of Congress. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see some of these. Look at Charlie. Oh. Let's see some of these. Washington. Oh wow. This is so crazy. I remember making these. This was so fun, and they
I remember
freeze
eating
really
them.
well.
They're delicious.
They freeze really well. Hey, I like the font size.
Oh, you can read it?
Yeah, I can read it. It's really nice. It's not too big. It's not too small.
What are some of the other states?
Oh my goodness. Colorado.
Oh, Idaho.
Idaho. Montana. It's all the west. They're in 7 sections. So here's the Great Plains. Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota.
Iowa nice.
Iowa nice. It even says Iowa nice means bringing bars to the bake sale, mowing your neighbor's lawn without being asked, and showing up with a casserole just because. It's kindness without a scoreboard. One of the best places we saw this in action was during Ragbri. So fun. So there's stories all throughout this book of all the different states. And then someone asked me just recently, what's Iowa? And I literally, all I could think was Ragbri and Mr. Porkchop, and I couldn't think of the big T.
Yeah.
It's a tavern sandwich.
Go to the next page because the road trip ideas are really fun. Kansas road trip.
Road trip ideas. Look at that.
Oh yeah, Duncan loved that.
Yes. Oh, I loved this.
Yeah, I know. I know. We always go to that.
Yes. The Gooey Louie butter cake. But I made it with a biscotti crust. So good. So good. This is so fun. This is so fun being on this side of it. Anybody who's working on a hard project, okay, just persevere. Keep going, okay? It could be a trip, you know, going on a trip. It could be writing a book. It could be raising kids. Perseverance, because I remember writing these pages and thinking, will this ever come together? Will it? And it does. It does come together. Oh, Michigan! There it is.
Yes.
So fun.
We're basically where we are right now with Isle Royale. That was a lot of fun.
That was where we were today. Wow. So fun. Ohio has pierogies. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm just gonna be here.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Perfect.
Great.
We got everything. Even the sample. Okay, what else?
Hello.
Hello.
Back at the grocery store.
Yes.
Meanwhile, remember the Harvest House we went to and the whole group of friends were all together?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yes, and then when you go to Harvest House, you buy something.
Yeah.
So I bought some bourbon.
What are you using it for?
I'm using it for drunken French toast. I'd like you to guess which state that's from.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't even know if I could.
Okay, it's not Kentucky.
Drunken French toast, Wisconsin.
I don't even think they'll be offended.
No, I don't think so either.
It's from Nevada.
Nevada?
Because of Las Vegas.
Speaking of all these states, you have
Yes.
flashcards to help you. I think
Yes.
this is really funny.
I have flashcards for every state because inevitably, when I tell people what the cookbook is all about, they say, what is fill in the blank?
Yes.
What is their state?
Yes.
So anyway, so I needed to get really sharp on my states. So it's the state, what it is,
What's
and
that?
then
What are you holding?
section.
What are you holding?
This is Texas.
What's
These
Texas?
are tamales. They're good.
What about Nebraska?
Nebraska, steak and corn. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, that was easy.
What about Washington?
Washington, we switched. We're gonna go mussels with focaccia bread.
Really?
It was stuffed salmon.
Okay.
But we're gonna move away from that because I wanted people to have ultimate success. And stuffed
Okay.
salmon can sometimes be wonky to cook.
What is something that you're really excited about? What state are you very excited about?
Well, you know, I prefer fresh food.
Yeah.
Like when I say that, I love deep fried because who doesn't?
Yes.
But in order to function successfully throughout the day,
Yes.
I like vegetables and light. So the East Coast has lots of light fish, and the West Coast has lots of like salad and things like that. So
But a lot of people in the last cookbook said, "Hey, Trish, come on, more comfort food." And
I
so,
got that request a lot.
and so, the 50 States Cookbook. Let me tell you something.
Boom! That is your book.
As you wish.
Oh my gosh, this is great.
Now, what do we do now once the picture's taken? Do we have to eat them to verify that the recipe? This is a serious question, actually.
We will be eating these, but not until the pulled pork is ready. Because the pulled pork, the coleslaw, the Dijon barbecue sauce is all going in there with a little pickle on top, and it will be so good.
Okay, so those are the sandwiches.
Those are sandwiches.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
I figured everybody would be a little disappointed if I didn't put at least one bread recipe in. I did
Yeah.
go to France to study bread. So if I come out with a cookbook with no bread, people will be like, what?
Yeah, okay.
So
yes.
anyway, so there are a few bread recipes in here.
Okay.
So this is one of them. You need some sauce. Wait, do you have one? I think I'm gonna make another one. You need more sauce. That's Yay! It's so fun. What a team. What a team. This is, oh, I forgot about my bread. Okay, that is such a pretty picture.
Isn't it great?
Wow.
The illustrations are amazing.
Super great.
Trish, what's the dish from Maryland?
A crab cakes.
Crab cakes. Oh my.
Crab cakes. This is good.
So when do we get to eat that? Meet me in there.
The thing is, you have to like envision, you know, I'm on a street corner. I have a griddle in front of me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Taking orders.
Mm.
You want it with or without
Is that, are
Yeah,
you
that's a
even
ribeye.
joking?
That's a ribeye.
Really?
That's not low grade meat. That's, yeah.
Is it a ribeye in Philly?
Yeah.
Is it?
Someone needs to help me keep it open.
Victoria!
Get that cheese.
And I'm gonna put the onions on top. Thank you for your help, Victoria.
Yeah.
Cookbook. Everyone back off. My sandwich elbows out. What does he have? What did he say?
His sandwich elbows. That's amazing.
Try to keep her away.
Go over to my campfire.
What the heck? You saw that? I wasn't even.
Glad the eater showed up. Yeah.
Yes. But actually, he's our professional steak maker.
Well, we all know that.
We all know that. He
So-
does beautiful steaks. There's a chicken pot pie in the oven.
Really?
Take a picture. Yes.
Oh, okay. You already made it.
Yeah.
Just one more picture.
That's it. You know what's in here? Not from Virginia, but so good. Kaneka sausage with chicken.
Good.
Yes. Yes. Food photography is, this is not for wimps. First of all, you have to resist, but 20 recipes in, that's not hard, okay? We're marathon photographers over here. But then you have to make this food that just came out of the oven look good. So you're taking photos before it goes in, because what happens if it gets too hot and it starts falling, you know? Then we have drips down the side, which looks appetizing, but not in a photo.
Keep the Milwaukee Charger out of frame.
So is this what's for dinner then?
Yeah, sure. Is this what you'd like for dinner?
Actually, I just had shepherd's pie.
Yeah.
It was delicious.
And I think that's mine.
Oh. There you go.
Maybe we move the fish down. Like that, and then we'll put the salsa there.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So many colors. This could easily be the best thing served at a restaurant.
Really?
The salsa goes with the fish. The beans are really good. The rice is really good. The butter in the rice. Really good.
You're right, Tori.
It's good.
This is like Florida restaurant food. Yeah, what's up with the rice?
Because it's amazing.
How'd you make the rice so good?
Thank you. You know, we've been eating a lot of Cuban food, beans and rice. So, so that's what I set out to do.
You made rice like Cubans?
Cuban beans and rice, grouper, key lime honey butter.
Is that what this grouper is so good? Key lime, honey, butter?
Well, there's a little jalapeno taco on there.
Okay, all right.
And we've got a salsa. Victoria helped me make the salsa.